two ways in which we can apply for visa for Indians. One is visa on arrival and one is e-visa on arrival. We had opted for visa on arrival. It costed us 2000 Thai baht and only cash is accepted there, that too only in Thai currency. If you want a speedy processing of your visa and immigration, that you can opt for a fast track option in which they tell you upfront that you'll have to pay them 200 Thai baht only in cash and there won't be any receipt for it. Fast track, it just takes 30 to 45 minutes for the visa processing and immigration, and you would have entered Thailand. These are some of the airports for checkpoints other than Bangkok. Documents to be carried are passport, which should at least have 6 months for expiration. You should have a travel insurance for your duration and flight details, which includes the return ticket. You can actually carry a printout of accommodation, flight, and the proof of funds of at least 10,000 Thai baht for single person. The bank statement should be good enough. So this is how on arrival visa form looks like for Thailand. Make sure the visa fees is correct. So the form that we had filled and gone had actually 1500 baht and it was an old form. So make sure you download the latest form and then go. Just ensure that it is 2000 baht or based on whenever you go. Just check the amount and it should be accordingly, else you'll have to fill it out there again. So all the required fields I'll just go through one by one. Here you will give your first name. This is where you give your first name, your middle name, and here it will be your last name or surname. You can leave blank whichever is not applicable to you, and everything must be written in block letters. Okay, nationality would be Indian. Your passport traveling document number, so your passport's number, something like D4 is something like that, mention it here. Date and so this is a required field. Your date of birth is required, expiry date of your passport. Flight number would be the number of the flight that you would be traveling and reaching Bangkok. Occupation, you can fill this. There's also required your permanent address, required address in Thailand, wherever is your first stay, the hotel, so you can just mention that over here. So there's also required name and address of the person of reference in Thailand. This in case you're living with somebody there in Thailand, then you can give the details of the person with whom you're living. Okay, and the same address you can fill it out here as well. Else for those whom it's not applicable, you can just leave it blank. Okay. If accompanied by minor children traveling on the same passport, please give names and details. So if applicable, fill it out, else you can leave this blank. You'll have to give your signature here, and the date would be the date of arrival at the airport. So this is also required. Make sure that your photo is of 4 by 6 centimeter. Okay, this is very important because it's not same as what Indian passport requirements are. So even when you go to get this photo clicked, they would know the requirement for Thailand, and based on that you will get the size that you need. Rest of things would be filled by officials, so you can leave rest of things blank. So yeah, that is all about it. For the other option, e-visa on arrival, you'll have to fill out the application form online or upload the same documents as were mentioned earlier. Then you'll have to make a payment of 2,500 Thai baht. Once that is done, you'll be sent an e-visa which you have to download and print. And then you can take that form and at the airport, you can directly go to the immigration area, get your documents verified, and then you can enter Thailand.